Hey guys, this week in Python we were assigned programming problem 4.9. We have to create a Python script, Numberlines, and we are prompting the user to enter the names of two files. And long story short, we're basically copying from the first file into the second one and some special formatting. And the special formatting is we have to right justify this down here. So what I wasn't getting was in the assignment, what I couldn't understand was there was actually three spaces before this. It didn't make it very clear. So it's one, two, three, and then this is the fourth space for the justification. So with that being said, um, let's get into it. I'll start off saying, here's just my folder structure, where it is. As you can see, file 2 is empty. We'll go ahead and go look at that. File 2, empty, and file 1, just some simple lines I put in here just to test it. So let's go to our code. Again, file 1 and file 2 in the same folder. And this one's empty. This one's got my test stuff in it. Here's my actual code. So I'm getting these are the two lines. I'm getting the file names from the user. Uh, so enter the first one, enter the second one, and then I'm setting those string variables is what those are. I'm applying it in here, and instead of having the user type in .txt for the document type, I just went ahead and added that in there. So it's got the command in here, input file, open file 1, which is this string up here, .txt, and this is the one we're reading. And output file is, again, the same thing for up here, then plus the txt, and then we're writing, and that's what the R and the W is for. I'm setting up my count, so I want to start at position 1. And then my for loop in the output file, we are writing, and then here's my formatting. So right justification for spaces, that would be this right here. And then I've got my little caret, sideways caret, or greater than sign, whatever you want to call it. And then an additional space, and then count, and then the line. So count is going to be line 1, so it'll be 1 on the right justification, greater than space, then the actual line itself from the code. So with that being said, let's run it. So our first file name is file1. We don't have to put .txt because I put that in the string. So file 2, enter. All right, doesn't look like anything happened, but let's go over here and look at file 2. As you can see, it populated where it wasn't before, and you have 1, 2, 3, and then our fourth space, so we know it's justified correctly. And that was it for this week's assignment.